Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Jaybird Project. So when I started doing the project, I wanted to focus on doing like positive things and things that I was passionate about. So I've done some funny videos over the past few weeks because that's something that I find that I'm kind of passionate about, just being goofy and being yourself, and that's, good. My hair's not working today. No one can make fun of my hair. It's just not... It's not behaving today. So, just... whatever. So today I wanted to share with you a presentation of people that I admire for their unique abilities. There's a lot of people out there who are very talented for a variety of reasons. So, today I wanted to show you the people that I personally admire and for their unique talents. So, without further ado, here are the people that I admire for their unique abilities. Captain Jack Sparrow. The only man to make me reconsider my no guideliner policy. Hell, he can ravage this wench any day. Bill Clinton, for his ability to have supplied my brother with classic jokes such as the following. Two of Bill's sperm were racing towards the cervix, and the first one said, "How far do you think it is to the fallopian tubes?" The other one said, "It can't be too far. I think we just passed the tonsils." Classic. Eric from True Blood. I think you can figure this one out for yourself. Michael Jackson, for making crotch grabbing socially acceptable and allowing for such noises as hee hee and shamana ooh. Betty White, for being a kick-ass old chick who I hope to become one day when I'm old and senile. Hugh Hefner. Obviously, he's got something awesome going on, since he's still banging chicks that are young enough to be his great-great-great-granddaughter. I still haven't figured it out yet, but I'm pretty sure it involves Viagra. Dick Cheney. Simply for his impeccable skills with firearms. Clearly. Britney Spears. For her power of suggestion. Who else could wrap a giant snake, around themselves and make it sexy? I just said penis. Captain Barbossa, for uttering one of my favorite movie lines of all time. I am disinclined to acquiesce to your request. Means no. Severus Snape from the Harry Potter books. For being that character that I hated the entire book series. But then I cried when he died. That's talent. And finally, Kristen Stewart and one of those Hemsworth brothers, whoever, it doesn't matter, they're hot, from Snow White and the Huntsman. Now, this duo had the unique ability of making me truly question whether I liked this movie or not, even though I did see it twice in the movie theaters. Because the Huntsman was hot and a really good actor, and he was really caring and all that. I loved it. It was awesome. I loved him. So what else did you need? But then Snow White was really good until she opened her mouth. So I'm still left with, I don't know if I liked the movie or not. Because I liked it, yet I'm confused. That's a unique ability to confuse me. Okay. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Monday, and I would love to hear whose unique abilities you wish you could possess. So make sure you, send me a comment, like my page on Facebook, or tweet at me, something like that. I have links to my Facebook page and my Twitter in the description. So, yeah, and you should subscribe. Alright. See you later. Bye-bye-bye.